Forget SUVs and mopeds at Newton High. Students trading in their keys for cabs, tractor cabs, that is. This morning, Newton High School hosts the annual Drive Your Tractor to School Day. Now here's a live shot of this event taking place today. The event put on by the school's FFA chapter, and it's meant to shine a light on the agricultural roots of the community there at Newton. Students typically meet off campus, then they drive together in a convoy to school. Look at that stuff. How cool. If you want to show your support for students involved in the FFA program, can you just imagine that going down the street? The event has started already. It's at the main parking lot of Newton High School. Go on and support the kids.